How to fix slow internet on iPhone. Let's get started. First, restart your iPhone and router. This will clear temporary glitches. Also, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular. Turn off Wi-Fi and test your mobile data speed, or switch Wi-Fi networks to see if another is faster. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi or Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, then try 5G on. Disable VPN, Low Data Mode and Battery Saver. These features can throttle your connection. Likewise, update iOS. For that, click on the option General. Scroll down and navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. New updates fix known bugs and improve network performance. Next up, reset network settings. This will erase all Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Head back, scroll down and click on the option Transfer or Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Lastly, test internet speed. Use a tool like Speed Test or fast.com to see actual speed. If speeds are slow across all devices, the issue is likely with your internet provider. And that's it. These are some fixes for slow internet on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.